Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our NuxtJS website designing series. So now guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to add an image in a NuxtJS application. Okay. So basically we are going to add our one logo and one more thing, that is our carousel. So for that carousel, we'll be adding an image. So carousel means a slider. So guys, now let's get started. So first we are going to begin with adding the logo for this Nuxt.js website. So yep, let's get back to our editor and let's go to our navbar. So go to components inc where app header. So inside that app header, here you can find the navbar. Okay, so you need to add an image tag where you can give directly / which means it will go to root directory, so which moves on this static folder. So if you want to understand how this is calling, you can just go to your next website and now you can just go to your directory structure and you have many methods. Okay, so one is one using asset directory, you can link the images, or else static directory. Okay, so first we'll move on with asset directory and see what it shows over here. So you can find that image src and you can give this symbol and then you can link your path or image file, or else you can just go to your static directory and you can find that. So this is also one method, okay, to link it. So as we have linked the fav icon or any images, so static assets, you can just see here one example which is given. So any of this you can use, but I prefer using inside the static folder. So let's go, and here is my website. Inside the static, I have created one images folder, and see these images, I have few images. Okay, so this is my logo image. Let's get back to our editor. So we are coming to directory, static directory, and then going to images folder, and then you're going to logo.png. So let's call that logo.png. Save it, and you can give a class, tell logo img, and we will use this in a style tag logo img, where you can set this width 170 pixels. Okay, so let's save this and you can see the output. So let's get back to website. Let's refresh once. Perfect. So we have got the logo, guys. If you want to make it more small, you can just go on with 140, and here we refresh. Cool. So this is how we add images in Next.js application. So guys, now let us see another example with the carousel, that means slider. So we will be integrating that in the home page itself, that is our index.view file. Let me close all the files. Okay, so let's go to pages and index.view. So this is the home page here. Now let's go to getbootstrap.com. On the docs, let's search for carousel. Here we go. And here is one example. So we'll be using this example. So let's copy this and paste that. Let's paste it here. All set. And here is the image path. So for that you can give direct slash, and that means it goes to our static folder, and from that static folder I am going to images folder. Inside images folder there is one slider 1, 2 and 3. Let's link that slider1.jpg. So let's copy this and paste for the second where slider 2, and the third one will be slider 3, and you can just make this as slider 2, slider 3. Save it. So now let's get back, and Cannot find the module. Rendering the page. Let's see. Let's refresh once and see. Perfect. So our slider is integrated, guys. But we need enough full width. Like it's inside the container. I don't want that in a container. So what you can do, guys, let's remove this container class, remove and put it down. Let's open and close div and add a class where we'll tell this container, and let's move inside this. That's it. Save it and refresh. Perfect. So this is how we integrate our carousel and make add images in our Next.js application. So now guys, I'll just show you one more method. Like this is about directly pasting here. If you want, you can just keep them separate to make more small modules. So you can just create one slider file inside your component folder, slider.view, and inside the slider.view, let's copy this slider code. Let's copy this, and you have to paste here. But before pasting, you need to export that, right? So let's tell view template. We don't need this style, so let's remove it. Here we open div and paste the slider content. That's it. So now let's export this with the name called slider or carousel, whatever you require. So I'm using slider over here. Let's save this, and now guys, let's call this file inside your index view. So let's give comma and let's call components colon components, open and close curly brace, and you can call that slider. Done. So before calling the slider, you have to import slider from that components. Okay, so let's use this symbol and call components / slider dot view. All set. And this slider which you are importing, you can just call at this place and paste that. That's it. So here we get the output. Save it, and now let's check the output, guys. Refresh. Perfect. So this is how we import the files. Okay, so one file to another file we are called importing also. Okay, so guys, in this video we have successfully learned about how to add the images in Next.js and also shown that how to import one file to another file. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, guys, and let's continue next video with new topic of this website designing in Next.js. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.